Okay, well, this is a casualty from the storm. The storm caused a lot of trouble out here. I guess this is minor compared to some places, of course. But anyways, what I'm doing is I'm stripping off the leaves on this tobacco plant because actually from the rain, completely broke. It broke to the point where it was laying completely on its side, still attached here by this centerpiece, so to speak. And so I figured the best thing to do is just go ahead and take it down because it's just not going to do it. I don't know what I'm going to do with the seed pods. I'm hoping that they're maybe salvageable somehow. I doubt it. And they're not going to be developed yet. They're not dark enough, you can tell. And they're still flowering and stuff, so I don't know about that. Anyway, so I'm just simply stripping off the leaves for now. And of course I can do that better if I put the camera down. Anyways, I'm just cutting off the leaves. I'm going to pile them up here together. And I'm going to clean them up. Probably rinse them. And then I don't know what to do about curing them. I'm seriously thinking about trying to cure them. I'm thinking, anyways, I don't know what happened there. I'm thinking about going ahead and maybe trying to cure these leaves in the sun. Because I have some other tobacco that I've been drying, and I've used the oven a few times on it. Still doesn't seem to be completely, ready for smoking. So, I mean, it seems like to me that no wonder they charge so much for cigars when curing the tobacco takes so much time. At least the way I've been doing it. I don't know what I'm doing because, well, I'm not a tobacco farmer really. Really just for fun. For the novelty of it. I'm always curious about it. So I'm by no means an expert on this aspect of the plant. I sure can grow them though. But I really don't know the curing process. So I've done a little bit of research, and there's different methods, of course. And I think the least complicated method probably for me would be to sun dry them. Or throw them in the oven, I guess, and see if they can dry up to be smoked. I have tasted this tobacco before with some that I was able to dry somewhat to the point where it was smokable in a cigarette form. And it's really light. It was a lot different than what you'd smoke in a store-bought cigarette, of course. It had a totally different type of taste. And I can assure you that is due to the lack of any sort of chemical or, nothing. I mean, this plant's gotten some miracle grow here and there. Maybe if it was lucky. And this plant was actually in the ground already, so it was one that had survived the winter. So now, unfortunately, I'm left with this big old stalk here, which again has all those beautiful flowers on the end of it, which I really hate to just toss in the garbage or whatever. So I just don't know what I'm going to do with that. I may cut that off and just kind of stash it off to the side and maybe let them dry out. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Anyway, so this is my feeble attempt at maybe preparing some tobacco to get cured. Alright, as usual, if you got any comments or you can give me some advice on this, be sure to leave something behind for me. And this is Alvarado signing off.